Hi guys, welcome to English in Easy Mode. If you are learning English, then this video is for you. I will speak slowly and clearly while I play this video game so that you can practice your English listening skills. All you have to do is watch and listen, and you will slowly improve as you watch more. So today we're starting a new game. It's called Airport Contraband, and it's the demo, so it's not the full game. And contraband means anything that is illegal to bring in, usually to another country. So basically, my job is to make sure nobody brings anything illegal into the airport or out of the airport. So let's get started and see what happens. All right, I have a beer. I guess I'm just waking up after a long night of partying or drinking or whatever. Uh-oh. I was supposed to wake up at 7, but it's 10:25. I'm 3 hours late for work. All right. Oh, I have a letter. Remember our deal. Don't mess it up, or it'll be your last time. Cheers. Okay. A little suspicious. I guess I have a deal with somebody. I don't know what it's for, but they want to make sure that I'm sticking to the deal, that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. But I'm sure we'll find out more later, so now I'm just going to start on my job. Okay, I guess Jose is my boss, and he talks to me on that radio sometimes. Arrest? I can arrest this guy or not arrest. Well, he didn't do anything, so I'll let him go. All right, my boss says somebody wants to talk to me privately. It means they want to talk to me alone. I'll just follow this little yellow symbol and see what happens. We're meeting in the bathroom, I guess. Oof. I wasn't expecting that. This guy is not happy with me. I guess maybe I had to deal with him and I did something wrong. Ooh, this game is taking a dark turn. I was not expecting that to happen right away. Um, I guess we have our first official death of this channel. For the first time in the history of English in Easy Mode, our character has been murdered. I guess... I don't know what happens next. I guess maybe I get a new character? Alright, we have a small plane coming into the airport. The small plane is about to land. And let's see who's on the plane. Alright, the plane is stopped. The plane has landed. And what is happening? New guy. Okay, so I'm the new guy. I'm the new employee. So Jose is still my boss, and I'm the new employee because the old employee, he had an accident. Nobody knows what happened. He disappeared. I'll just follow the yellow symbol again. All right, he says first I need to remove this tape so the passengers can come in. All right, we have our first passengers to check if they're bringing anything illegal. Hello, ma'am. Let's see what you have. Knife? I don't think you can bring a knife onto the airplane. Yeah, the knife is restricted. So I'm sorry you cannot bring the knife. I'm going to have to confiscate it. So we'll do the body search now. I guess because she brought a knife, we have to scan her body. So confiscate is a new word for some of you, and I think we're going to hear it a lot in this game. Confiscate means to take something that's illegal. So usually it means either the police or some officials, they find something illegal and they take it from you. That's confiscate. Okay, so I have to turn the light on. Oops. Okay, so I have to scan. What is this? Necklace. All right, that's fine. Necklace is not illegal. It's fine. Anything else? What do you have here? Oh, that's just a belt. That's fine too. Okay, now he wants me to do a luggage search. So we're going to check her luggage. We're going to check inside her bag or in her suitcase and see if she has anything else illegal. All right, ma'am, I'm just going to do a quick check of your suitcase. All right, a mouse pad. I think that's fine. Bread. All right. A cassette tape. All right, that's fine. Scissors. I don't think you can have a scissors. Let's see. No, the scissors is restricted. So no, I'm going to confiscate because that is illegal. So I'm taking it. I'm confiscating it. Goodbye. All right, I hope you guys are a little bit more careful. No sharp objects, please. All right. Pliers. I guess the pliers is legal. Okay. And bread. Bread is fine. But we are going to have to do a scan. I'm sorry. Please step over here. Put your hands up. And I will do a quick scan. All right. All right. What do you have? A fork? All right. This tells me the fork is legal. So no problem. You can keep your fork. Anything else? All right. Oh, what do you have here on your arm? A book. I don't know how you fit a book in your sleeve like that, but it's not illegal, so okay. Oh, she has a lot of stuff. The fruit juice. The fruit juice is legal, so no problems. What else? Toothpaste. That's fine. All right, we're going to turn off the light, and now we're going to check her bag. We will do the search of her luggage. Please put your suitcase up here, ma'am. Make sure everything is proper and in order. All right, soda, that's fine. A trophy, that's fine. Some Band-Aids, that's fine. Okay, you may go. Have a nice flight. All right, what have you brought? A paintbrush, I think that's fine, and perfume. The perfume is okay. But we are going to have to do a body scan. I'm sorry, but it is the rules. We have regulations and rules. All right, turn on the lights. Start with our scan. Be very careful we don't miss anything. Okay. What do you have? Matches? Are matches allowed? Yes, matches are okay. They are legal. Anything else? What do you have in your pants? Sir, you cannot bring a scissors. What are you thinking? Yeah, this is restricted. No, no, no. I'm confiscating your scissors. Oh, these are all the things that I've confiscated. Okay. Now we will search his bag. All right, let's see what you have. Shoes, slippers, that's all fine. Burn gel. Smart, never know when you might need a burn gel. And a blanket. Okay, you're free to go. Have a nice flight. I also have a scoreboard I can check to make sure it says flawless. Flawless means perfect. So this means I didn't miss anything. I confiscated all of the illegal items, and I didn't take anything that I should not have taken. What's next? Okay, next I think I have to do the passengers who are arriving, because those were the passengers who are leaving. They were departing. They were leaving. So now we will do the passengers who are arriving, who are just landing. Okay. All right, we have 2 passengers arriving. I guess it was a small plane with only 2 people. All right. Binoculars, no problem. Flashlight, no problem. I am going to have to scan you, though. It's my first day, and I want to do everything by the rules. All right. Just stand still. I'll be as quick as I can. All right. All right. I guess I have to do this little game because she has stuff in her pockets. Fruit. Okay, fruit. She has an apple. That's fine. What else? Nothing in the front. Let's check the back. What do you have? All right, she has a book. No problem there. All right. Now it is time for the luggage search. All right, ma'am, we'll just do a quick check of your suitcase, and then you can be on your way. All right, another apple. That's fine. A pan. That's fine. Ma'am, you know you cannot bring a giant knife into the airport, so I'm sorry. We are going to have to confiscate this. I hope you learned your lesson. All right. Now this last guy here. All right. Water. That's fine. Tobacco. Is tobacco fine? Okay. Tobacco is legal. I don't know what country we're in, but it's fine to bring the tobacco in. A weed pipe? I don't know about that. No, he cannot bring in the weed pipe because it's related to drugs, so that is not allowed. So we will confiscate that, and we definitely have to search you now. Because he already tried to bring in 1 illegal item. All right, let's do our scan. What do you have in your pocket here? Toothpaste, fine, no problem. All right, check the back. What do you have here? Oh, wait, it's in the front. It's in his shoulder. Another tobacco pipe. This guy really likes to smoke a lot, but I guess that's fine. It's not illegal. All right. Now we will check your luggage. Since you already tried to bring in 1 illegal item, we have to be extra sure. All right, if you'll just put your suitcase up here, I will be done as quick as I can. All right, a belt is fine. A metal file. Seems like it could be dangerous, but it says it's legal, so okay. And a flashlight, that's fine. Okay, you're done.
Now go to your quarters and rest. Tomorrow is another working day.
Okay, guys. I guess I'm done with my first day. So now my boss says I can head back to my little house and rest for the day, and then tomorrow we will be back to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next video of the airport. I hope to see you there.